God. Oh, that's not bad. That is not bad. Especially to start the day out. Holy cow. See those dark clouds over there? There's a good indication of the way it was earlier. Oh, and if you look at it, that is headed our way. So we might not be out here for very long. See, I was under the impression that that was coming towards us, but that is what's coming towards us. We don't have much time. Got it. Oh, you little guy. Ooh, some pretty green coloring though. Not a bad looking little guy, but very little. We want your like grandpa. Your fat, lazy grandpa. Oh, that was a decent bite. Let's put that right back in there. Oh, I can feel the rain already. Gonna have to put the camera away, I think. This is just gonna get water all over the lens, and that's just not gonna make for a good video anyway. Alright, we've got to change the worm out anyway.